Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys, I'm tying my tummy. Like, I just had to use the wrapper, something that is easier for me. I have about, I can't even count, I think I can count the number of waist trainers that I have. I even have like new ones, but at this point I feel like wrapper is best for me. So this is what I do. This is what I do, especially when I'm about to sleep, because for my waist trainers I really need help to put it on. I kind of like waist trainers when I'm going out and when I have assistance, like when I have someone to help me, because I always need assistance to wear my waist trainer. That is when my husband is around. So it is 7:30. Who else listens to Streams of Life International? It is playing in the living room right now. I had to bring the baby down. It is 7:30 and you guys, I'm preparing to make something very, 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 very delicious. Look at, I'm washing this. I'm going to be making something very delicious that I love. If you know me, you know that I am an Igbo Calabar girl. I'm an Igbo Calabar woman. So I'm going to be making ekpan kuko. Ekpan kuko is water yam and cocoyam meals. I'm going to be making it today, but I'm just going to prep everything. I had to start early because I want to make sure that at least it will be ready in the afternoon, because it takes a whole lot of process, long process, and my kids are still sleeping. Our newborn is in the living room. I had to bring him down and I put him in the baby mat. He's in the living room sleeping, and I am praying and also cooking. So I have fish here. I'm going to first of all prepare this meat. So because I have a newborn, I always love to start early to do whatever I want to do, because whatever can take me like 2 hours, because of him it could take 4 hours, because at every interval is either I'm going to carry him or I'm going to make him put him to sleep or feed him or change diapers. So it's a whole lot of work. I just love to start anything I'm doing when he's around early. If not, if I don't start early, we're not gonna eat this today, because this is a whole lot of, takes a whole lot of time. Don't mind how I look like a glorified housewife, a typical housewife. Yeah, welcome to my world, welcome to reality. How are you guys doing? Good morning, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Maureen Achu. I'm a food, family and lifestyle vlogger, and I just had a baby. Join my family. If you're not yet subscribed, be a part of my family. Don't mind the way I look scattered and unkempt. You guys, like, motherhood is dealing with me. I literally cannot even remember where I kept all my complete night outfits. This is one of my night outfits. I don't know where the top is. I think the top is in the laundry. I just had to carry this to wear, because the other night clothes and the weather is hot. I didn't want to wear anything that will make me feel very, very, very hot. I needed to be free. So forget about how I look. I had to hold my hair. Like, I just had to hold my hair. So this is the real me. I'm not hiding anything. Welcome to my world. Welcome to today's vlog. I hope I'll carry you guys along whatever I'll be doing today. I'll be going to the hospital later in the day, because last week I felt a little bit sick. And I told myself that, girl, see, you will not come and die here. Oh. Better call the GP. I felt sick. I was feeling very dizzy. I don't know if it was because of too much of breastfeeding, because my baby literally refused to take formula. He's always sucking and refused to take formula, and I didn't plan for exclusive. So I had to call the GP, and they told me to come in. I went in that last week, like it was like an emergency. They checked on me and said everything was fine, but that today I'll need to do an ECG. So I'm going for an ECG today. I've told my husband to try and come back early, because I cannot carry 3 children and start going for ECG. And then there's this lady that we used to pay to take care of the kids. He just told me that, okay, I shouldn't worry, that he's going to see how he can manage to, just work half day and come back. So we're not going to be using the lady. He's going to come and help me with the kids. You guys, I'll just carry you guys along this vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please, if you do, don't forget to like, share, send a comment, subscribe, be a part of my family. Thank you, guys. So you guys, guys, I'm here for my appointment, and I was rushing. Like, I was rushing so much that I couldn't even brush my hair. I couldn't just touch my I couldn't just touch my face or do anything to myself. I was just in so much hurry to get the kids together and start coming here. But yeah, I'm here waiting for my turn. I'm just waiting for the doctor to call me because I need to be sure that all is well inside me. Oh my gosh. Baby, up down where? Oh. So guys, we are in Rajani stores. Rajani stores is where we buy like a lot of things, like household things. You guys, it is well with my soul. Obi, come on, let me hold your hands. I want to go there and buy some bowls for beating my baby and a few more things.
Guys, look at me.
After the hospital, we went home and had lunch, and I also took some hot tea because I was really feeling very cold. After seeing the doctor, I felt very cold. I felt really sick, but I think I feel a lot better right now. Not a lot better, but I feel much better right now. So I want to pick up some things from the Rajani stores before we start going home. Come, I'm watching. No car is coming, baby. So yeah, we are going into Rajani store. Look at my little man Obi over there. Because the weather is a bit cold. You guys were in summer, but UK weather, you guys already know how it is. Like I've been saying, UK weather changes. Like 1 minute is raining, the next minute is very, very hot. So that's why Obi is wearing jacket. Kama is not wearing me. I don't feel like I should wear. I even had to wear jacket on my newborn. So we're going to Rajani stores right now. Okay guys, so I bought this for bathing my baby. I already have the big one from when I had Obi, but this one's when we're moving house. I don't really know what happened with it. I think it's one of the things that we didn't come with. I bought a spray bottle because I really need it. I saw this beautiful plate and we bought it for Oga and Madam's food. Okay, this is what it looks like. I like it. We got it for $19.99. Then this tray is for Kaima and Obi to be eating because I don't want them to be messing up so much and giving me too much work. So I had to buy these 2 trays for them. And yeah, right now we're going to Sainsbury to pick a few things. You guys, these things are in the boots. This is our boots. So my baby's crying so much and I don't know how to breastfeed him here. I'm almost tempted to start breastfeeding here. Like almost tempted, even for my husband. But he's gone to the car to get the baby's milk. Is your dad back? Okay. Sorry, Nam. Sorry. No. So this is the leftover of the eggplant I made. I already have a recipe of this. I'm going to put on my description. If you want to know how I made this, please head over to the description and you're going to see a link. You guys, this is so sweet, even though I'm not feeling too well, but yeah, this is so nice. I like it. I enjoyed it. Everyone enjoyed it. In fact, this is the last one because I've already added water in the pot to wash out the pot. I'm taking it with milk and a little of Lipton because I've been cold, so I wanted to take something that will make me warm, and I just felt like I should take Lipton even though I'm breastfeeding. But this is just what I feel like taking. You guys, come and join me eat. Come and join me. I'm trying to take dinner because I'm breastfeeding. Even though I'm full, I just felt like eating something. Yeah, I've already told you guys what I'm eating. Let me just quickly show you guys a little thing, some of the things I picked from Sainsbury that I really like. So Obi is so used to onesies. Obi is used to onesies for nighttime, and we were lucky to see this because one day I wanted to buy him night outfit. I went to I think Primark. I couldn't get any night outfit that was in a onesie like this for him. So I ended up buying a lot of tops and trousers. But we always love to put on onesies for him. So we're so happy to get this from Sainsbury. So this is I think 18 to 24 months, even though 24 months 2 years, but his dad said, let's buy it for him. And his super is really long, so I think he's going to wear this for a long time. So he's going to use this he's going to use one of it to go to bed. This is how many. Okay, this is just two of it. No, it's meant to be three. It's meant to be three. I think the one is out. Baby, oh, this night clothes will be Nabuku 3 cobbles or 2 come forever. Okay. I thought as much. Nasi. Now you're happy zile na Sainsbury. Then this one is for Kenechuku. So you guys, Kenechuku is just today he's 3 weeks, but all his newborn outfits, like his newborn outfits, are super tight, especially the ones that are not very big. So what I do is I kind of expand the outfits, like I kind of stretch it for him to be able to wear it, and very soon he will outgrow most of those newborn outfits. So this is 0 to 3 months and it's really big, so I had to pick this for him. So I'm honestly not happy that I even went to buy lots of newborns. I should have just gone for straight 0 to 3 months, because most of the newborns are so tiny, so tight for him, because he's a big baby. So sorry about any noise that you hear from there. Kaima and Obi are having their shower upstairs. Their dad is bathing them so that they can go to bed. I'm yet to bathe the baby. Oh, baby has started crying. I need to pick him up. My baby just loves my body. Like, he loves to just be on my body. If he's crying and I put him on my body, his cries will just stop. He will just stop crying. So he just loves mommy's body. To him, he's like, who mommy? Nah, I thought 100%. Like, he doesn't want to stop being on mommy's body. And I totally think I've spoiled him, because I'm always carrying him, and it's so tiring. It's not easy at all, especially when I have other kids to also take care of. It's so tiring and so draining. I feel like one of the reasons why I feel unwell is because I'm so tired. I'm always very busy and I've not really had enough time to rest. Like today I woke up at 7, I think 7 o'clock, and I've been up till this time. I didn't even get to sleep well yesterday because baby is always awake, in the at night. So what I want to do this night is, when I go upstairs, when I finish eating, I'll go upstairs and I'll bathe him the traditional Nigerian way. I'll use hot water on his body very well, feed him and put him to bed. I hope that he sleeps well this night. Anytime I do that, he sleeps very well. So those were the reasons why I had to go buy those balls, because I needed to do it the proper way that we used to do it. So yeah, another nice thing that I got from Sainsbury that I really like is this bag. So this is my baby bag. This is going to be my baby bag. I wanted to use Obi's baby bag, but yesterday when I looked at Obi's baby bag, man, like, that baby bag it has served its purpose. Like, it has served the amount of money that I bought it with. So I just told myself that I should better buy another bag. So when I saw this at Sainsbury, even though this is not what I intended buying, but when I saw it at Sainsbury, I just told my husband, what do you think? And he said he likes it, and we got it. And it has a backpack, so I can as well carry it as a backpack, and I can as well carry it as a handbag. So I got this. I don't know if you guys can see it very well, but I like it. So this is about the little things. Other things are just normal stuff. I bought food stuff. I bought vegetables. You guys, motherhood has been so stressful. Like, taking care of 3 children has made me, I feel like I'm almost losing it. I feel like I'm almost, you know, not like I'm losing myself. But I can't wait to be able to pick up myself. I know it's a thing of the mind, but I don't know. I don't know. Motherhood has taken a whole lot from me right now. It's been so stressful. It's been stressful. I've been able to find a routine, but in the routine is not really, it doesn't really work all the time. I can't wait to, you know, pick up the pieces and feel stronger and better. And you guys, yeah, just pray for me. One thing I know is that this time will always, you know, come to pass. This phase will come to pass. But yeah, I hope it comes to pass super soon. So you guys, this is just about it. I'm going to end this video today, like today. I don't want it to linger. I hope you guys enjoy watching. Please do subscribe. Please be a part of my family, and please do like this video, share if you can, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys.